Calligraphy is an art which passed from grandfather to a father to a son.
Mo, are you coming back this weekend?
You know Mommy was so ill. Why did you still choose to go to class? You always sacrifice us for our art.